And welcome my friend, and then I am planning to show you that how to reset this Toyota Avensis car's service light, what is in there, and I start my car engine and now this service light is on in here, and how we can remove that. Let's go to forward. And firstly, when we are resetting this service light, we have to change this our car's odometer. There is this button 1 in here, and that one is this trip meter, and then I have to choose this odometer. This is the thing. And now when we have this total mileage, then I have to press this odometer button all time. Next. Same time I turn off my car in this way. Now it's off. This is important. And next thing is that when I am pressing this button is that I turn off this my car's power. Remember that I all time press this trip meter down, and then I need to turn on this my car, and I insert this car's light on, and then we wait so long that this my tool, this my maintenance warning light is away, and next I turn on my car's power, and then I install this my car's power on, and then we go to look dashboard when I same time I press this my odometer in all time. Okay, and now we look that how this light goes on. Now and now I turn on my car power, and then we look at what happens. Now there is blinking in here. Okay, and now there was this. Now this service light is away in here. Excellent. Okay, and let's repeat that. Now I have to install in here this odometer, and then I press this all time in here, and then ignition key off in that way. Now it's off, and then I install key back, and then I have to keep this my finger in so many seconds that this odometer becomes in that way. Look, in this way, that it totally goes away. And now when there are 0, now this my warning light in here is away. Excellent. And let's repeat that this thing. Okay, and let's repeat firstly trip meter in this final odo, and then I press all time and power off, and then I turn on key again, and then this blinking goes end. Now reset is done. Excellent. And now warning light is away. Thank you. And this was this information. Next I start this my car, and we check that now there is no any warning light in here, and service is okay. Good.